If you are a complete beginner or not 100% beginner, but you've been struggling with different platforms to trade with Forex, in this video, I want to talk about what I consider to be the best trading platform for 2026. Like over the last few years, we've been having a bunch of trading platforms. I've used them all, but in this video, I'm going to share with you what I consider to be the best trading platform for complete beginners. So let's go ahead and do that. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today we're gonna talk about Trade Locker. Trade Locker is a trading platform that it's pretty much offered by most of prop firms, most of all, but also some, brokers here and there. And I consider it to be the easiest platform to use. Therefore, obviously it's more suitable for beginners. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial as to how to use it, how to place pending orders, how to use drone tools, and so on. So hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex, crypto, or any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button below and let's begin. First things first, and the most important thing here is, doesn't matter what trading platform you're using, you gotta use a trusted company. You gotta work with a trusted company. And therefore, I wanna give a shout out to Prime. Prime is the platform or the prop firm that I've been using for over a year now, and it's the best prop firm for 2026 worldwide. 100% guaranteed. The only prop firm that I've had no complaints whatsoever, not only for me, but for users who are using this platform as well. If you're wondering what is Prime is a prop firm that basically allows you to buy a larger account with very little money. For instance, if you have, let's say, $300 to trade, and that's very little money. Therefore, what you can do is that you can actually go and purchase an actual account. This one is $369. $50,000 is only $179. But the most popular one, the one that I recommend the most, is a $100,000 account with only $360. You can actually buy $100,000 worth of balance. Therefore, you can trade with $100,000, and instead of, increasing a $300 account, you can make a lot more money with a $100,000 account. Absolutely recommend it. I have a bunch of videos talking about this platform, but if you want to open an actual account with them and start making some real money, I'm going to have the link to it in the description of this video. Super important. Use the promo code BLW15 and you'll get a 15% off on any plan that you want to, unlimited times. I'm gonna have the link to it in the description of this video. Now, what is Trade Locker? Trade Locker is an actual trading platform that is offered specifically as well for from Prime. As you can see right here, it says Trade Locker. They have a bunch of options, but like I said, on this video, I want to focus on this one because I actually find it fascinating. This is Trade Locker, as you see right here. One thing that you can tell, just by looking at it, is that it's very, very similar to TradingView. TradingView is the actual trading platform that we use in order to trade when it comes to Forex. This is TradingView is the platform that I use in order to send my signals and so on. This is what the platform is all about. You can see the price, the assets right here. You can find any asset that is tradable by the company that you're working with, the leverage, and so on. Now, as you can see right here in the screen, I actually have also the trading charts with candlesticks, time frames. You can select different type of candlesticks. This is the way I do it. We got indicators right here and so on. This is what the trading platform is all about. Now, let's talk about market orders versus pending orders. Right? Because whenever I actually have a trading session, for instance, today, I actually had this trading session, beautiful session, by the way. And as you can see, we have right here an actual trade that I placed. We have a trend line. It was a breakout, and this is what happened. Now, you got two options to actually trade with this specific platform. Number one, you can actually use a market order. A market order basically means that you're gonna place a trade immediately. So if I click buy right here, it's actually gonna enter a buy position. If I enter a sell right here, it's gonna enter a sell position immediately. That's what it is. Pretty easy to understand. If you click on this button that says market, it's actually gonna open this. It says pending. A lot of people will actually get confused like, Chris, what do I do? Because some of the signals from my signals group, blwsignalsgroup.com, by the way, say buy limit. And the other ones, the ones that I sent, says buy stop. What's the difference? All right. Buy limit is whenever the price hasn't reached a level and is going to touch the level and bounce back, depending on the direction. It could be a buy limit is because it's going to touch right here and jump. Sell limit is because it's going to touch right here, it's going to drop. Now, a buy stop is when the price is going to be past and is going to continue in that direction. A buy stop will be right here because it's actually gonna pass this and is going to continue in that direction. Does that make sense? Sell stop is because the price is actually gonna break this and continue into that direction, which is exactly what I sent. With Trade Locker, you don't have to worry about that pretty much, because what you need to do is to actually draw, like move whatever levels you actually have. Let's put an example. I actually have this trade right here. I want it to be a buy stop because it's gonna break this resistance. We just assume it, right? So we draw the pending right here, right there, and then you can click on SL, which is stop loss. It's gonna give you another line. You can move it all the way. You're not placing the trade just yet. You're just selecting your levels. All right, right there. And the take profit. The take profit is right here. You drag it and you put it right here. Boom. Super, super simple. Now, when you actually see the lot size right here in this area is giving you what's the margin that you're using on this trade. The margin is depending on your lot size. So if I increase it, as you can see, it says 51, it says 56, 61, and so on. This is the lot size. The lot size manages the margin. The margin is what is tradable for you. So if you want to trade with an actual funded account, you got to be very careful with the margin. If you're trading with a real account, you can do whatever you want, but you should also be careful. But this is what the platform is telling you the margin. I've seen a lot of people in the group, in the signals group, telling me, hey, Chris, it says that I couldn't place the trade because of the margin. And I'm like, okay, did you check the margin on your platform? How do I do that? Here it is. So if you click right now, for instance, I'm going to remove the pending, by the way, and this is the actual margin. If I actually go over 100 right there, it's not going to be able. It's actually telling me you do not have enough available margin to open this position. If I actually lower it, there you go. But it says resulting position might put you in margin call, which means that you're risking too much. Obviously, you can just lower that and trade whatever is it that is available for you. Again, going back to the pending order, you can see right here that it doesn't let me enter the position. Why? If you click on this little arrow, it's going to tell you whether you're entering a buy or a sell. And as you can see, I'm trying to enter a buy and the pending order was set for a sell. So if I click right here, and now it gives me the option to actually enter a buy stop. If I click right there, it just placed the pending order. If you actually go into the pending section right here, you're going to see the trade right here waiting. Obviously, I'm not going to place the trade, so I'm just going to close it. And that's it. How simple is that? Pretty darn simple. So this is how you manage your market and pending orders and how you manage your margin as well. I'm just going to draw this back. Hopefully that's actually clear. Now, another thing that I use a lot in my strategies is drawing tools. As you can see on my Forex sessions, I barely use indicators. If you want to use the same trading tools that I'm using, which is drawings, all of it's right here. And if you actually go into this little arrow and you click on the favorite one, as you can see, boom, it gets added into this bar that is a quick access bar. I don't use it, so I just remove it and so on. All of these are my favorites, but right here it is. Rectangle, just like you see on TradingView. You got the buy position drawing right here. There you go. This is a sell actually. This is the buy, boom. This is an horizontal line, boom. This is the trend line. So all of these drawing tools are available inside of Trade Locker. Why is this important, at least to me? Because everything that you need, at least to trade with my strategy, is available inside of the trading platform. Okay. The only reason I continue to use a TradingView is because I send those signals to you guys, but that's it. Other than that, I always draw all my tools, all my trades right here in this specific platform. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, Chris, is this the best trading platform for Forex? I would say it is. And not only the easiest, but also the fastest platform to trade when it comes to Forex. So like I said, Prime has it. So if by any chance you want to be in a trusted company and also using the best trading platform, you got both of them right there in the description of this video with the link to Prime, and use the promo code BLW15 to get a 15% off. Now, before you leave this video, I just want to give you a reminder that you could trade 100% live with me every single day. Take a look at the trade that we had today. This was a pending order, by the way, and we can take a look at what has been happening during the week. Take a look. This is a 3-to-1 on NASDAQ yesterday. Yeah, there you go. A 5-to-1. Very good trade right here. And all of this, I've been doing it live every single day. So if you want to trade live with me, you need to go to blwsignarsgroup.com, blwsignarsgroup.com. Links in the description of this video. Pretty much you can trade live every single day with me in New York session open market, which is 8:20 Central Standard Time. So there you go. The invitation, trade live with me, no excuses at all. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. And more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below, and I'll be glad to take a look at those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.